Ryan here,
What's up? What's up?
and he's gonna go for. Is this your first ride in a Ferrari?
First ride ever.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go for a first ride in a Ferrari 458. You want to jump in?
Yes, sir.
Oh no, you're doing it wrong.
Am I?
No.
Yes. I feel like a giant in this.
Feel like a what?
A giant. My reaction, because that was insane. Wow.
I do 0 to 45, and then back down to 45, and then it's over.
Wait, so what, how fast were we going at the peak right there?
Oh, I'm sure it was like 45 miles an hour.
That was 45? No. There's an That's so sad. That's so cool. That's like the quickest lane change I've ever been in, I
How you doing?
Yeah. I don't know.
Did you survive?
I did survive. I had the best driver in the world. Dude, absolutely amazing.
Right on.
All
Well,
I drive in is luxury vehicles, so I'm good.
until next time.
Until next time.
All right.
See you guys.